10 easy and amazing things to do in one day in Gibraltar. Walking downtown. Main street stretches from Casemates Square to Southport Gates. The Alameda Gibraltar Botanic Gardens, a peaceful heaven. The Pillars of Hercules Monument, with an observation platform. St. Michael's Cave, consisting of over 150 caves. Gibraltar Pearberry Macaques, a wonderful experience. The Skywalk, a military strategic 360 degrees lookout. The Douglas Path towards O'Hara Battery, the highest peak above the sea level. The Princess Caroline's Battery and Military Heritage Center, a historic site and museum. The Tunnels, a military underground city carved into the limestone. Famous Gibraltar fish and chips at the Casemates Square.